It's not me, it's you. I could say you know it damn well like I do. Say you're moving on, well I guess that's just emotion. I guess that's just emotion. I guess that's just emotion.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Unice hair. Big thank you to Unice for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into this look. So today I have another Bye Bye Knots 7x5 lace closure wig. This one is a Yaki Perm Ombre wig. This one is 24 inches long, but I have to say it's hitting like a 26. And if you know, you know, I love my inches. Right out of the package, you can see that this was pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and the lace is pre-cut, so I slapped her on. For the most part, this hair is already straight, but if you want that super silk press look, I do suggest going in with a hot comb. So that is what I'm going to do, as well as a flat iron. So I used some hairspray to flatten out the top, and then I used a wax stick as well. So I used both of those products. I didn't put anything on the hair shaft itself because I felt like it was good the way it was. So once I press this out, I'm going to show you how this looks from every angle. But before we get into that, this wig is a drawstring wig. So you know it's completely glueless. Notice I didn't say anything about lace spray. I did not use any lace spray with this. This wig does come with lace tape. You get quite a few tabs of lace tape, so you can use that if you wish, but I decided to go completely glueless with this one. Still fit really well. As I stated, this is 24 inches and I'm taller. I'm 5'7", and this still hit me like a 26, especially once I pressed it out. I love how flowy this is. When you run your fingers through it, it definitely feels like pressed coarse hair. It's not super silky, but it looks and moves so bomb. Like, it's flowing, nothing is stiff. Okay, so I'm going to show you what that looks like completely pressed out. I did not have to put anything on the lace. You know, sometimes I go in with lace concealer to clean up the part, but I feel like they did a really good job with the bleaching. So the transparency of the lace against my wig cap gave a scalp-like appearance, and I did not have to put any makeup or concealer on my part. As far as the lace itself in the front, at very end, I did go in and add a little bronzer just on the sides because I felt like the sides were showing up a little lighter than the rest. But that's all I did as far as tweaking the lace. So I feel like this lace is good enough for quite a few different complexions. But you could always tap that in with a powder or foundation of your choice, or just hit it with a little bit of freeze spray to get it to blend. So the last thing that I did with this wig after straightening it completely was I did the curl test. Being that this was so long, I wanted to see if this could hold a curl, especially with this texture, and it passed the test. So I used the Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray, and then I also used some of this Kendra spray. I did like a beach wave. I took my T3 barrel and I wand the hair, but I left the end straight, and I did this on both sides after splitting the hair in two, and the hair held an amazing wave. So this definitely passed the curl test. Now keep in mind it's super hot. I did not go outside with this hair, so I don't know when I go out there if it's gonna drop because it is hot. But as far as indoor and right after curling, it held a curl. And I have to mention that because I know a lot of people question whether Yaki Perm can hold a curl. So if you have any more questions, feel free to drop that down below. Any products that I use will be down in the description box, as well as here on the screen. But as far as purchasing this wig, you can purchase this from Amazon, the Unice store on Amazon. Get this in just a few days. I also have a Unice hair playlist, so if you want to check out some other videos and other styles that I have reviewed and tried by Unice, definitely check that playlist out. It will be at the end of this video. I want to give you guys a big thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like it on your way out. Shout out to Unice for sponsoring yet again another bomb wig review, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye.
She said, take your time, just the rush. I just want my baby so hard in my blindness. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. So take your time, what's the rush? No fear talk come through, it's time to break it in. 32 loud fantasize, cause the niggas try breaking it. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shrimp and really ain't been feeling.